Welcome to another episode of the Gentleman's Motor Racing Team. I've gathered 5 products that I want to use or try and use to clean this old 998 engine before I paint it. Let's see what works and what's rubbish. Right, first up, let's try Gunk. It's pretty much what everybody was recommending to me. That's got a distinctive smell. Okay, it says leave for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to use a little brush. Do you know what? It works. Kind of guessed it would because it says engine degreaser. And if it didn't work, I think they'd be out of business. Let's take a photo for the Instas. You're not here to find out what you already know, and we already know Gunk works. What about good old washing up liquid? Surely that's got to work, isn't it? Because that'll degrease, you know, everything. You've seen the adverts with the baby. And back in, if you're old as I am, apparently it's good for your hands as well, which we know is all rubbish because it just sucks all the moisture out of your hands. Why is that supposed to be good for you? Hands that do dishes. Something about feeling soft and strong, mild, green, very liquid. I'd say that works. Now what I was using before was good old Swarfiga, which is, you know, is hand cleaner, isn't it? Rapid action, classic smooth green gel hand cleaner. It's good for removing oil, grime, grease and oil-based paints. That's just green. Do you mean that I've made pure green? Yeah, go on, what's that for? Let's give that a go. Woo! Yeah, that works. Okay, next one. Now this one, recommended by my partner, Katrin, my rally navigator. Pink stuff. This was, believe it or not, £1.50. Oh, it is pink as well. I bought this from Tesco's. Go on, what does it say? A powerful cleaning for both indoors and outdoors. Pink stuff, miracle cleaning paste. Can be used throughout the home and beyond. Yeah, this is beyond. Nice. So this is a paste, so I don't know if you're supposed to make it wet. You can tell that I haven't read the instructions. And why haven't I read the instructions? Because I'm a bloke. I ain't got time for that. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, this is working really well. Maybe because it's a slightly abrasive, maybe. It's a bit like, I suppose it's a bit like toothpaste. It's a bit of a rough and ready test. This is not, you know, you can tell Professor Mowog's not doing this experiment. He'd been making sure that it is properly scientific, wouldn't he? I missed a trick there. Okay, it's left a bit of a, I don't know, a milky sort of texture to it. And I'm guessing that will need a clean off. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our patrons. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Last one, recommended on Motor Mornings by someone, elbow grease. Got this from a discount store, and believe it or not, it's like £1 a can. Designed for obviously cleaning ovens, which, as we all know, from time to time, do get a bit greasy. Hopefully they don't get oily, but they certainly get greasy. Okay, you ready? Woo, look at that! That's a bit cool, isn't it? Shall I read the instructions on this one? Let's take a photo for the Instas before the snowstorm disappears. Read the instructions before use. Well, no, I'm doing it the wrong way around then, aren't I? But never mind. Shake the can well before use. Protect the floor and surrounding surfaces with newspaper. Wear rubber gloves. Yeah, sorry, didn't use that. Leave for up to 30 minutes. I haven't got time for that. Use in a well-ventilated area. Do not use outdoors. Really? Oh yeah, this is working. This is working. Well, that wasn't a very scientific experiment, was it? But what would I recommend? I'd have to say Gunk. It's obviously designed what it's supposed to do. I can't remember how much it was, but for £1 a can, I would highly recommend any sort of foaming oven cleaner. And I think that's what I'm going to use to clean the rest of this. If you have any suggestions for budget cleaning products for cleaning the engine, leave it in the comments. I'm sure everybody else, including me, would want to know. Right, give us a thumbs up and I will see you next time. Ta-ta for now.